Want to ensure your purchases are 100% authentic? Let's explore how eBay's authenticity guarantee works right from your desktop. Start by opening a browser and heading to eBay's official website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Type in what you're looking for, like sneakers, watches, or handbags. Look for listings that display the authenticity guarantee badge. When you see the badge, hover over it to learn what's included. eBay partners with expert authenticators to verify products before they are shipped to you. Proceed with your purchase as usual. After checkout, the seller ships your item to eBay's authentication center where it's inspected and verified. Once verified, your item is sent directly to your proof of authenticity. No extra fees, no extra steps. eBay's authenticity guarantee gives you peace of mind with every purchase. Like and subscribe for more helpful tips like this, and thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.